Hi guys, this is Sogan, you're most welcome. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet Irish crochet lace applique. So let's crochet together. Start the slip knot and chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains. Make a slip stitch in first chain. Chain 1, make 12 single crochets in this ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Make a slip stitch in first single crochet. Chain 3 and make a half double crochet in next stitch. Chain 1 and make a half double crochet in next stitch. Chain 1 and make a half double crochet in next stitch. Please crochet 11 times. Make a half double crochet and chain 1. Make a half double crochet and chain 1. Make a half double crochet and chain 1. Okay, crochet 11 times. Make a half double crochet and chain 1. Let's count chain 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 half double crochet and make a slip stitch in second chain. Make a slip stitch in first space, chain 2 and yarn over. Insert your hook in first space and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through first loops, yarn over and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through first loops, yarn over and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through first loops. You will have 4 loops and your hook, yarn over, pull through all loops and chain 3. Yarn over, insert your hook in next space and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through first loops, yarn over and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through first loops, yarn over and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through first loops, yarn over and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through first loops. You'll have 5 loops and your hook, yarn over, pull through all 5 loops and chain 3. This is my second bubble stitch. And yarn over, insert your hook in next stitch and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through first loops 4 times to make a third bubble stitch. You'll have 5 loops and your hook, yarn over, pull through all 5 loops and chain 3. Repeat in all spaces. I crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 bubble stitches and then chain 3 and make a slip stitch in third chain and make a slip stitch in bubble stitch and make a slip stitch in first space. Now I'm going to crochet chain 3. and make 4 double crochets in same space. Make 5 double crochets in next space. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Make 5 double crochets in each space. At the end of the round, make a slip stitch in third chain. Make a single crochet in first double crochet and chain 3. Skip second double crochet and make a single crochet in third double crochet and chain 3. Skip next 2 double crochet and make a single crochet in third double crochet and chain 3. Skip 1 double crochet and make a single crochet in second double crochet, chain 3. Skip next 2 double crochets and make a single crochet in third double crochet and chain 3. Skip 1 double crochet and make a single crochet in next double crochet and chain 3. Skip next 2 double crochets and make a single crochet in third double crochet and chain 3. Keep going. At the end of the round, chain 3 and make a slip stitch in first single crochet, make a slip stitch in first space and chain 3. Make 2 double crochets in same space. 1 and 2, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. And make 3 double crochets in same space. 1, 2 and 3. Skip 1 space and make 3 double crochets in next space. This is my 1, 2 and 3. Chain 3 and make 3 double crochets again in same space. 1, 2 and 3. Skip 1 space and keep going. Make 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 3 and make 3 double crochets again in same space. 1, 2, 3. Keep repeating. At the end of the round, make a slip stitch in third chain. Okay, make a slip stitch in third chain. Chain 1. Cut the yarn off, then hide your yarn. Thanks for the visit. We hope you loved this video. Show us some love by liking, commenting and subscribing. Your feedback keeps us going. See you later. Bye.